Okay, today we're working on this Freightliner. We're gonna be doing the cab shocks. I don't know if you can see it, but I already did the other side. So all you're gonna need is a 3/4 socket with the impact, 3/4 wrench for the top bolt, and the bottom is 11/16. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. Alright, so we just gotta pop that top bolt out, let it slide forward, and then we can pull it out. Alright, that was kind of a pain. This shock sits a little bit higher than the bolt hole. So what I did is I removed the linkage on the right hand, and then I kind of played with it until I got it into position. And just had the bolt right in. Alright, we're still on this Freightliner. We're going to be installing these Alliance front shock absorbers. So, 2 bolts, 1 1/8. We'll go ahead and remove it, and I'm going to show you how to install the new one. Alright, that top bolt right there, that one, you're very limited on your space. So I was gonna use my impact, but got these airlines in the way. So, alright, we're gonna go ahead and put some anti-seize into the bushings. See that wire strap right there? Do not remove that. We're not going to remove that until we're ready to set the bottom bolt. So first I'm going to set the top side, and then we're going to set the bottom. This is the orientation. The top side is one with the outer sleeve on it. We'll go ahead and set this on that top bolt. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the nut on it. Then we're gonna get our bottom bolt ready. Just like that. And you'll see how fast it comes down once I cut it. So you're just gonna be ready to push it in. Okay. There it is.